All right, at 97.8 for euro. Here's 99. Here's 0102. Okay, I'm going to jump in here. Got a 01 fill. All right, we're at an extended reversal. You can see the pattern. The head of the snake, the 1 minute box, is down. So here's the body of the snake. And then the head almost looks like a dolphin jumping out of the water, then coming back down now. So, and we've got the extended entry on the short. The entry is at the 94. The extended entry is at the 0204. So I got in at the extended entry. Eventually this would hopefully make it to the 1 minute boxes. So I'm going to give it a little bit of time. Here's 96, 97 plus 4 currently. And either this 90 or this L7 1 minute box would be a good target. Now it's up to you whether you take the whole thing off or you just take half off and let the other half run. Alright, yeah, cash is also in with me at 02. And yeah, cash just highlighting the fact that we're at an extended entry. You got to give it a shot. I'm looking at the trade announcement. Doesn't look like there's been a whole lot of activity on the trading front. My guess is not a lot of price action, but cash still able to pull some pips out of this market. This session has had a pretty good start of 2012. First 4 sessions we've gotten 20 pips, 3 of the 4, and then we got 9 pips on that 4th day. So not a losing day yet for 2012. Just on this session. Here's 94 plus 7. Would like to see a few more down to the L7. I would like to see it a few pips lower though, down to the 1 minute box or the L7 around 89.90. Here's 91.92 plus 9 for a second. And then a quick pop up to 96.7. So sometimes you don't take your profit quick, you may lose it. Alright, so Graham took 10. You got it, Vivian. We'll talk about it. Hey, thanks, Conwell. Still in it, though. Haven't really banked any profit yet. All right, back to break even. So that was quick. 9 was the spot. We didn't really get to the 1 minute box. We didn't get to our target, and that's what kind of got us, or got me. Still in the trade, though. No reason to get out just yet. We're still under our 2 column level here. What we want to see is, we don't want to see a higher high on the 1 minute. We want to see this level kind of hold for us. So we're still sitting here at break even on this cable trade. We'll see what happens with that. We might have missed our move, or I might have missed the move. I don't know if some people took some. Graham took 10, cash took 8. So everybody took points on that. Great. The good thing about euro is it did not make really a higher high. This level held it again. This 0405 2 column roadblock held it. So as long as that holds and doesn't make higher highs, then chances are we're going to come back lower. So I'm going to give it a few minutes to work itself out. Didn't get in the cable. I wish I did, because that would have been about 6-7 pips on that short. And that's the danger here, is this 1 minute box creeps up, we're going to have a long type setup on euro as well. We're testing this 1 minute box here. Now I want to see obviously a break, just like we're seeing cable break below its 1 minute box. We're at a crucial spot right here. Here's 94 plus 7. 93, 94 I'm at right now. Plus 9 on the position. Alright, let's do it. Alright, I'm out. 90 plus 11 pips. All right, so I could have took the 9 and then got back in and got the 11 really, but I didn't take the 9, so I had to wear some pain, get back up to break even. Then I caught my 11, but really got a 9 and an 11. If I'd gotten out the 9, got back in, then we could have had 20 just like that. But well, we got 11. We're halfway there. Thanks, guys. All right, we're just gonna watch Euro drop. Look at Euro just tanking now.